Guys, so there is something that we have actually been saying about the higher time frame and being aligned to the higher time frame. So there is something that is happening right now, and the previous me could have made that mistake, so that's why I want us to talk about it. So previously I used to work with 1 hour time frame, and I used to use BTMM. I think it is famous, and for me it has been working for me, especially as I started. Though I made some mistakes, the BTMM was working well for me. So something that I've noted currently is that aligning the higher time frame with the smaller time frame. So currently in the daily, what we see is the 50 is above the 200, so meaning that we are bullish. So when we come to 1 hour, 1 hour is here. So when we come to 1 hour time frame, the 50 came below the 200 here, and when the 50 came below the 200, we were supposed to wait for a bounce from this point. You see, from this point we had a very nice bullish engulfing, and that is the point that I would be selling. But right now, because I know better, this is not a setup for me, because the higher time frame is bullish. So for me, if I see a cross of the 50 and the 200, I'm not looking for sales at any I'm not looking at a pullback to the 50 and then I sell. No, I'm waiting for a 50 and the 200 to cross, and then I'm waiting for a pullback to buy. Because one thing that I've noted is sticking with the higher time frame, because BTMM works. It really works well, but one thing that I've realized is that you have to align yourself with a higher time frame. So it doesn't mean that if the higher time frame is bullish, the market is going to buy all the time. But I'd rather be caught with a buy than selling a buying market. So for me, that's why I'm not taking these setups for sales, because I realized that this strategy used to work so well for me. When the crossover, I would have the crossover, I would take my, like here, I would have taken a very nice sell and I would have held it, but I could have been taken out, because you see, at this point we had a very nice bearish engulf at the 50 EMA, above the 50 EMA, and when the market came to that point, you see here, when the market came here, we had a small sell. You see, so for me, I would be caught selling here, and the market will come again and take me out. So that is something that I want. If you are doing this, you should see, like when the 50 and when the high time frame, high time frame is bullish, let's stick to that trend. Whatever you use, we're going to be talking about SNR, and we want to be trading with the higher time frame trend. Because if we take the lower time frame trend, we might end up being taken out, like what is happening right now. So that is what I wanted to clarify, and thank you for watching.